Hello, good morning and happy Sunday. So, it's been 8, hindi, 7 months siguro. It's been 7 months since the last time that I posted a video. I'm still here in Cebu. Um, ano ba yan? Namamalat yung kilay ko. Iba na rin yung kulay ng buhok ko. It's faded and alive and kicking. Wala namang bago sa life. More of a lot of realization kicks me in. Like, hindi ko pala kaya mag-work abroad. Ay, hindi ko pala kaya yung masyadong malayo sa family. But I'm still happy. I'm happy because I am still surrounded by people who keeps me humble. People who made me realize a lot of things in life. Made me realize that I am just a human being. And, a lot of stress came for the past couple of months. But, kaya siya. Why? Because at the end of the day, you have to remember kung ano ba yung reason ng sacrifices, 'di ba? Yes, I've made a lot of stupid mistakes in the past, but it's something that I have learned a lot. And I'm very much excited with the things that I am planning, and I'm very much excited kasi magde-December na. I'm very much excited kasi even if a lot of struggles came in, I am still blessed in a lot of things. And just I'm just trying to be happy. Always look on the brighter side of all of the things that's what's going on. And alam mo yun, kahit anong nangyayari, basta napapaligiran ka ng mga taong you cherish, you've trusted, and who understands you and who knows you better than others, masaya siya. Masaya siya, pero parang hindi ako mukhang masaya, no? Charot. Hindi, I'm just, being happy. I'm just trying my best to be happy. And excited ako umuwi ng Lapu-Lapu next week. Kasi namimiss na ako ng kaibigan ko. Namimiss mo na ako, no? Charot. Ano pa ba? Medyo sinipag tayo lately dahil paid time, nagkaroon ako ng paid time off. Nagluto ko ng sinigang kasi I don't feel better physically. Parang yung fever ko on and off. Pero may panlasa ako, wala akong ubo, wala akong sipon. It's just that feeling ko yung pagod. And then nagluto rin ako ng hindi ko alam kung anong luto yun. Basta pork siya na may pipino na nilagyan ko ng oyster sauce, nilagyan ko ng onting soy sauce at ng sugar. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. And then, gumawa rin ako ng palaman for tuna sandwich. But unfortunately, nakalimutan kong bumiling tinapay. So, ang ginawa ko is, bumili ako ng fita bread. feta biscuit pala, hindi feta bread. Feta biscuit. Tapos sakto may nabili akong pipino. So I just sliced it, top of it, and then what boy? Viola. Instant food. I'm still continuing the 1 cup a day. And hindi man siya kitang-kita physically na pumayat ako. But I feel lighter. And hindi ako masyado nakikrave sa rice. Not unless nasa Lapu-Lapu ako at nandun ako sa best friend ko. Hindi pwedeng hindi kumain dun. So, bubungangaan ako ng kaibigan ko. Hindi, joke lang. I love you, Majo. And then, why I posted another video today. I heard a very sad news from my family from Cavite that one of my childhood friend, Allen, recently died. He may not be like as a good boy as the image, but he has really a good heart and he's really a good friend, though hindi kami nag-uusap frequently. The last time na nag-uusap kami was pandemic. Yun yung moment na hinihika yung anak ko and it's 2 a.m. in the midnight and kailangan ko ng someone na sasamahan ako para maghanap ng gamot. And fortunately, isa siya sa kilala kong may motor or may kotse na pwedeng gamitin anytime. So, I asked his help and hindi siya nag-atubiling samahan ako. So, I'm very, very thankful. And Allen, kung nasan ka man ngayon, know that your daughter is in a safe place. Nandun siya sa parents mo, sa partner mo. Hindi siya pababayaan. And I hope maging peaceful din yung maging hindi naman siya life, pero yung kung nasaan ka man, bantayan mo lang lagi yung angel mo na yung anak mo nandito pa sa mundong ibabaw. It's really saddens me when I heard the news. And one of my realization is that pag oras mo na talaga, no? I mean, whether matanda ka, bata ka, na-enjoy mo na yung buhay mo o hindi pa, na-achieve mo na yung gusto mo o hindi pa. If it's really your time, it's your time. 'Di ba? So, that's one of the realization that I had since yesterday na you really have to make time with your loved ones. Because at the end of the day, yun lang yung mapapamana mo yung memories. Nakasama ka, nakasama mo sila. And yun yung wag na wag mong ipagkakait sa mahal mo sa buhay. Hirap talaga siyang tanggapin. I mean, hindi man kami super duper close na nung tumanda na kami. But we're really close during our grade school days. As in, naaalala ko yung tita niya, yung mom niya, yung ate niya, pumupunta sa bahay after school. Kasi they will check kung ano yung assignments namin on that day. Tapos I transferred another school when I was in grade 5. And nagulat din ako, lumipat din siya ng school. So until grade 6, elementary days, kakasama ko talaga siya. And yung kilala kasi nilang pasaway, makulit, barumbado. Hindi yun yung kilala kong Allen. Simula pagkabata. He really have a very soft heart. Most especially sa parents niya, sa kapatid niya. Noong time na yon, I think sila palang dalawa ng ate niya nung elementary kami. If I'm not mistaken. Na yung kulit na nilalabas niya is his way to show you that he cares for you. So yun, Allen, kung nasan ka man ngayon, kung pababayaan pa rin yung anak mo, bantayan mo pa rin siya. Yung mom mo, yung papa mo, yung ate mo, yung mga kapatid mo. At lalo na si Tita Juliet, na talagang kasama mong paglaki mo. Now, enough of that story because it's not my life, no? I just give him at least a quick message since I wasn't able to go there. Fortunately, I'm still here in Cebu. But I'm looking forward to visit you very soon as well. Now, hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko. Charot. Ba't ako nag-video, no? Tapos hindi naman pala ako prepared. Wala akong script. Wala. It's just really a raw vlog today. And maybe all of my videos. Kasi there's really no exciting things that's really happening in my life, but I'm still I still feel happy without sometimes I don't see any reasons for me to be happy. I feel bad even if there's no reason for me to feel bad, but I'm still grateful that I'm alive and able to work, able to provide. A lot of problems came in, yes. But because my mom is there for me, my partner is there for me, my kids is always there for me, calling me every night, checking on me, saying I love you, giving me a kiss. That's really more important in my life right now. And I'm very much excited to be with them again very soon. Yun lang. Bye! Thank you for watching. Kindly share, like, hit and subscribe button. And see you on my next raw vlog. Bye-bye!